is not about seeking attention. It is about seeking connection and understanding. And in today's world, exposure is paramount. Hi, and welcome to Voice of Chizuba, a tribute to volunteers who have made a world of difference to organizations, the organizations that work tirelessly to make this world a better place. I'm Tej, and today's guest is Linda Kolapo. Linda studied geology and says that her love for freedom and impacting lives drew her to social media marketing and volunteering. So, planning and creating tailored strategies and content that resonates with the intended audience is what Linda does. She has volunteered with the World Toilet Organization, Radio Cave, Grace Places, Water Charity, and a house in Austin. That's a lovely number to have, Linda. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me here.
Linda, clearly you are enjoying volunteering, right? So you've donated so much of your time. What is it that appeals to you?
Well, volunteering is an opportunity to help others. And I find it that in life, you find more fulfillment, more joy when you give to others. So and yeah, and I had the plan to someday own my own NGO to touch life, to make a difference in my community. So when I came across Chizuba, I saw it as an opportunity to learn from other NGOs, to know what they are doing. And since I have a skill that could be of help to them, and I'm indirectly touching lives also, so I decided to volunteer my time to help out the NGOs, to help out those in need, and also to help myself. So that is what brought me into volunteering.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you.
What is the biggest skill that the world needs today? What is it that the world needs today? You have worked with so many nonprofits. What do you think?
I think the world needs more kind people. That is something the world needs. The world needs more kind people, because before I actually started volunteering, I didn't take note of so many things happening in my environment. You know, most of these things, they are around us, but we don't take note. We're so busy, we don't take note. We don't know there are children who need help. We don't know people need water. We don't even know people need sanitation. But sometimes if we just take a pause and look around our environment, we find out that the world needs more kind people. A lot of people are going through a lot, and these NGOs are doing a lot to touch lives, to improve lives, to make life better for others.
Right. So, what is the message that you have for people who have not yet volunteered?
I think my message for them is that you have to create time to do something for others. I know a lot of people don't have the time. Time might be a problem. But if you can't really give your time, you can also give your money by supporting the non-profits. But if you have the time, if you can do something, even if you have an organization, you can, your staff, you can make it part of your social responsibility, or to at least work with an NGO around your environment to ensure that people around you, there's a difference in their life. At least just contribute your quota, create out time. It doesn't take much, but when you start it, I think you start enjoying it, and you find out that it gives you more joy. You find more fulfillment when you find out that you're able to make somebody happy.
So, very true. Could you tell us about the project that you worked on? Just a couple of them.
Okay. I actually started with a World Toilet organization, and it has really been very interesting, because actually we all have toilets, but we don't know how important it is to others, because I didn't know that a lot of people don't even have toilets. It was funny. I had to understand that toilet was very important for people to have good health. And sanitation is also important. And also, I worked with a house in Austin. They help parents less privileged parents, providing them food, taking care of their children, guidance, counselor. I think it helps a lot because a lot of people are depressed. So such programs, they are able to help parents, those that can't afford meal. It helps them take care of their children, give them counseling when they need it, and it makes a difference in their life. And currently, I think we want to work with an orphanage in Uganda from through Radio Cave. The non-profit is Wheel of Hope. Is an orphanage. So I think that is the next project I'm working, and I believe that it will be very, very interesting. Working with children that don't have parents, making them happy. I
Yeah.
think it's something great, something nice.
Wonderful. Wonderful. I think, to be seen, to be heard, and to be understood, the greatest gifts we can give to one another, isn't it?
Yes, it's true.
Right. So, thank you, Linda, for talking to us. Thank you for sharing your experience. And thank you for volunteering on the Jazuba platform.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Shizuba has been a great platform because it gives even freelancers, it gives us the opportunity to improve our skills, and also while improving your skills you're also touching lives, so you're making a difference. It's a good
It's a
thing.
win win situation.
It's a
Yeah.
win-win situation. Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much.